This video is brought to you by TS4U IT Engineering Bootcamp.
How can you describe the virtual device?
So are you talking about the mobile app, the virtual work environment we set up to test the application?
Yes, like sometimes we need to set up the device, need to set up the operating system there, and we can do.
Sure. So when we install what is this called, the React Native, configure the React Native Android, and it allows us the test the build we have just done it. So means they provide different type of mobile devices, different size of a screen, different size of the versioning that actually allows from the Android Studio or the iOS. So those testing actually developer does, but mostly the QA involved as well. We call the bench testing or the virtual testing. This exactly called the virtual testing, means software-based simulation, because this virtual device is a software based, and you just load the new release, the build, and then you can test it. And so it helps a lot of time, because you don't need to wait for the download the app on your actual device and test it out. But instead of this, on your computer, the software-based simulation, you can load the newly built version, and you can complete the testing, and you can find the bug immediately and report that back to the developer. So for the mobile app test, for the vehicle validation development, anything you do with specifically with the device, the simulated environment, simulated testing is very powerful and very important.